Okay, I am demonstrating the vertebrae column, known as the spine. We have here, there are 4 curves of adult vertebrae column. They are the thoracic, which is in this area. We have the lumbar, which is in this area, the sacral. So we have the sacral, we have the lumbar, we have the thoracic, and we have the cervical. And down here is the coccyx. And the curvatures, it increases spine flexibility. The primary are the thoracic and the sacral. The secondary is the cervical and the lumbar. Atlas has no body, no spinous process. The atlas bone articulates from the superior aspect, the superior articular facets receiving the occipital condylite of the skull. It carries the skull. It carries the skull. These joints allow you to nod your head. Yes. See? Yes. Nods your head. That's what these allow you to do. Okay? Now there are two. The thoracic vertebrae have 12. The lumbar there's 5 lumbar. And the sacrum, there's 5. And it separates the vertebrae, fuse to form this. Okay, so the lumbar is here, and there's 5 of them. And the sacrum, there's 5 vertebrae that fuses them. Okay, and then the coccyx is the entire small pointed bone. Right here's the coccyx. Okay, so right here we have, starting from this bone here, is the cervical. And the cervical has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after that, we have the thoracic curvature, which have 12. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Then we have 5 of the lumbar, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And this section here, right here, that's the body. And the spinal process this is the spinal process. And then this little hinge thing right here is the transverse process. This is the transverse process. This is the spinal process. And this is the intervertebral disc, which is between them. It's in between them. It's in between. It's the disc in the between. Okay? So we have the transverse. It's easier to show right here. This is the transverse process. This is the body. This little flat bone here is the body. This is the spinous. And then the disc in between is the intervertebral disc. And those are the bones of the vertebrae column.